Today I'm going to share a super powerful technique and a passive technique. You just have to work once and after that it will work on its own. What do you need? You just need very few things. A water bottle, of course, and a pen or a marker, whatever works for you. And a paper. It can be a masking tape or it can be paper, doesn't matter. I'm taking masking tape because it is easy to stick. What do you need to do? Again, start with clarity. First have clarity, what are you looking for? और इसमें मैं आपको इंसिस्ट नहीं करूँगी कि you have to have only one goal. You can have multiple goals. You can have goals for health, relationship, career and money. I don't have a problem. You can write nice 5 to 7 sentences, कोई problem नहीं है. लिख के निकालो मगर. Okay. If you want to feel happy, say I'm already feeling happy. I'm already feeling love. I'm already feeling very, very rich. Whatever feelings you want to manifest. Whatever you're manifesting, just write that down. Okay? Once you write down, you're ready. So let's start with this. I'm using masking tape. You can use anything else. Okay? आपको ये पेपर को ऐसे चिपका देना है इस पर. So once you stick the paper, you have to write your affirmations. So say I'm writing generic feelings, say love, happy, rich, whatever, peaceful. You can write that I'm already making 10 crore rupees per month. तो आपको जो भी चाहिए, whatever you want, you can write. It has lot of space because it's a 1 liter bottle. आपके पास बहुत सारा space है. आप इस पे आराम से अच्छे से बैठ के लिख सकते हो. Once you write, you have to stick it on the bottle. Once you write down, what do you have to do? You have to keep this bottle overnight next to your bed or wherever. And next day morning, you have to drink this water. You don't have to finish full bottle in one go. Okay, don't do that. You can drink slowly as and when you need it. And just keep refilling this bottle for next 1 week. Now what is happening? Why will this work? The words have power. Super power. When these words are written on this water bottle, the water absorbs the power of those words. And when you drink this water, your body absorbs that and the manifestation starts working. अब मैं बेसिक क्वेश्चंस आंसर करती हूँ इससे पहले कि तुम लोग मुझे पूछना शुरू करो. बॉटल कोई भी चलेगी, कॉपर, स्टील, कांच, प्लास्टिक, जो बॉटल यूज़ करना है कर सकते हो. बाद में इसको धोने क्या करना है? यस, आपको वॉश करना है. बट अगर पेपर खराब हो जाता है कोई बात नहीं, मैं निकाल देती हूँ, नया पेपर बना देती हूँ. एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मेरे घर में मास्किंग टेप होता है और मैं पेपर बनाने में मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती है. नाउ मेरे को एक और क्वेश्चन बहुत कॉमन आता है, मैम कैन आई बॉयल दिस वाटर और कैन आई फिल अप द बॉइल्ड वाटर? यस, यू कैन डू बोथ. आप इसको निकाल के भी बॉयल कर सकते हो और आप बॉइल्ड वाटर भी भर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप फिल्टर का भी पानी भर सकते हो, आप फिल्टर पे भी लगा सकते हो. अगर आपके घर में मटका है तो आप उसके ऊपर भी स्टिकर लगा सकते हो. आप जहाँ भी लगाओ. साइंस बहुत सिंपल है. द वर्ड्स हैव पावर and that power gets absorbed in the water very easily, and when you drink that water your body absorbs that and manifestation happens. There is one very good thing about this technique. You don't have to necessarily know how to make affirmations. अगर आपको affirmations नहीं आ रहे, आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. just write down the feelings the way I wrote here. Can you see? I wrote love, happy, peaceful. जो भी emotion आपको आ रहा है, you can just write down the emotion. And if you're not getting the clarity, what are you looking for? Write down clarity. And trust me, within a week, clarity आता है. You can write whatever you want in your life on this bottle because there is lot of space. And you have to do it only once. You don't have to do it again and again. एक बार recap करती हूँ. पहले clarity लाना है. What do you want in your life? Write down the affirmations. In this particular technique, I'm allowing you to write down how many affirmations you want. Write down all those affirmations. Stick that paper to your bottle. It can be a masking tape, it can be a normal paper with a cello tape also is fine, and put it in the keep the water at least for once overnight and then keep refilling it and keep drinking water from this bottle only. Lot of people come back and tell me that मैम consistency कैसे लाए हम manifestation में? आप तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें करते हो, हम तो नहीं कर पाते. बहुत सिंपल है. आज मैं आपको एक बहुत बड़ा गिफ्ट दे रही हूँ, ठीक है? For consistency, I have 2000 plus people every day. They manifest with Mitesh daily magic practice. It's a paid program by the way. आज मैं आपको वो प्रोग्राम कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री दे रही हूँ पूरे 30 days के लिए. 30 days you can manifest with Mitesh and Mitesh comes live by the way. With that energy, the manifestation happens like magic and hence we call it daily magic practice. Come join that program. I'm giving you free for 30 days. It's a paid program. Do take benefit of this opportunity. Join us and manifest with us. Link is in the description below.